I'm going to share with you realistic ways you can make money this period so that you don't go broke after the holidays. And the best part about what I'm going to be sharing with you on this video is that you don't really need any experience to get started, and it's something you can do within a few hours and you get paid instantly. What it means is that you can schedule your time so that you get to have fun while you work for your money. I'm also going to share with you bonus websites where you can find free money in case you need free money this period, and so that you can actually check them out and see if they're going to work for you. So make sure to watch this video to the end. Now, this period, there are businesses that really do well. People that are doing stuff like catering services, event planning, decoration, and anything that has to do with event organization. These people do very well this time, and most times they get stranded because they run short of staff and they have lots of clients they need to provide their services to. So these are the type of businesses that you should target this period. Become a freelancer. Yes, you heard me right. And you don't even need any skill to get started. Now, the things I'm sharing here are very realistic. Like, I know people and I've seen people that do this and it really works for them. Within a couple of hours, they receive their pay immediately, and then they move over to the next thing they have on their table. Things like catering services, people will be needing people to help with serving food and organizing stuff like that, and you don't really need any special skill to be able to do this job well. All you need to do is just take instruction and do whatever you are asked to do the way you are asked to do it. And the best part about these jobs is that they pay you instantly. Like, you take for instance, if you're hired to help out a caterer in an event, once the event is over, you receive your pay and you have the time scheduled. Like, you can work for a particular number of hours and then you leave and go and rest or have fun if you want to, or even go to another job. So these are the type of things you should look out for and start working for them. Like, make contacts with them right now so that when the time comes, you can start working for them and then you get paid. Now, I know for some people, the problem is how to get contact of these people. Now, you can go online and search for them online using the type of service you're looking at, like you're targeting to work with. You Google it. I have a video right here that explains how to get these people their email address and how to send email to them. So you can check that video out. It's actually going to help you know how to go about looking for these people. Now, if you're in places like Nigeria that most of these businesses does not really have online presence that much, you can go visit them, like go to their store, introduce yourself and tell them why you are there and exchange contacts with them. You can also look for them on their social media platforms. Most of them may have social media platforms, but they don't really have websites. Now, when you go to these places, you make your intention known to them, and hopefully when they have jobs available, they can reach out to you. Now, another way you can actually get paid doing something for people this period is through this website called TaskRabbit. This is a place where you get to find tasks from people and you work for them for a particular hour, they pay you. Now, on this website, you can see lots of jobs available, like people that are interested. Like, let's take for instance, people that are going to be relocating from where they are to a new place because it's going to be a new year. So people may need to relocate. They may probably need people that will help them do the packing of their luggages. So this is another thing you can actually sign up for. Help them pack for a particular number of hours and then they pay you and then you go over to the next thing. So these are the things you should actually look out for. You can go to TaskRabbit and sign up to the website, and then you start receiving tasks as people post them on the website. So if you're able to watch this video to this extent, you've really done well. And like promised, here is a bonus for this video. These are places where you can find free money and grants to help you during this period. So the first website is called Turn to Us. This website, you get to find help when it comes to paying out debts or some services or products they can get to give you for free. And how it works is you answer some few questions they're going to ask you, and then they will match the information you have given them to the grants they have available. Then you apply for these grants. So because it's a grant, you are not going to be paying back. These are possible questions you may have in mind. You have everything answered here on the website. So if you're interested in seeking for funds this period, you may want to check out this website. First website I want to talk about is called BHS Trust Fund. Now, this website will help give grants to any individuals that are facing difficulty financially, especially leading to this period. Now, they can also give you things like hampers, food shopping vouchers, and toys that you can actually use to make your celebration memorable for you and your family. Now, one good thing about this website is they can actually give you support even if they're not able to give you the fund you need. So they can actually help you to reach out to other places where you can get help if they're not able to assist you in any way. So all you have to do is to get started is to click here where it says apply now, and once you click there, you're going to see that they can help in a number of ways, ranging from financial help to day trips, holiday support, and general advice and stuff like that. And to get started, you just fill out this information here and click here. So if you learned something new from this video or you enjoyed this video, please take a time out, like, subscribe to my channel so that you learn more things as I make videos about how you can make money online and so that you don't miss out on anyone. Thank you so much for watching. You can check out other videos on my channel so that you learn something from them too. And I'll see you in the next one.